Look at that leprechaun. It's got like green laces. Who color matches their laces to their jersey? I don't understand. It's like a milkshake. It's like St. Patrick's Day. See if I can skate closer to him. Look at that guy. It's all green. That's unbelievable. He's the Minnesota North Star. Look at that. He's got green laces. Ooh, nice. Nice. Shoot, man. Pulled my left hamstring from standing up. I don't even know what we're doing. Anyway, the score is 2-0, so let's try to keep score today. Look at that leprechaun. My goodness. Should have bought green gloves. It's like radioactive green. Anyway, fine. This is as close to a zoom as I can get up there. It's still pretty far away. So I can't really get much of an angle. And I'm getting like these glare off the lights. You'll see these red horizontal lines and stuff like that. And I don't know. Oh, leprechaun coming down. Ooh, lost your lucky charm. Lost your lucky charm. Here we go. Time, Frank, time, Frank, time. There's Matt. There's a young Edmonton guy. Go, Frank. Set it up. Whoa. He's gonna receive a pass over his shoulder. Oh wow. It's like looks like a lacrosse. Ooh, here comes a break. That's it, Paulie. Still up 2-0. Hopefully, I get no shots tonight. I mean, like, obviously, Yuching's gonna score a ton. But hopefully, no one else. Be a nice night, off night. Might actually win a game this season. Oh man, here it comes. Ronnie, stay with him. Oh. Son of a piece of garbage.
That's cheese, man.
Who's that guy, man? Idiot. What the heck happened there? Stupid Wayne Gretzky, can't believe he put a goal. I don't know what I was doing anyway. Here comes Matt. See my angle. Here you go, Ronnie, all yours. Time, Ronnie. Skate faster, Ronnie, skate faster. Woo! Oh, Winston. Set it up, set it up. You know he's got like no knees, dude. He's like 60 years old. Oh, man. Go, Ronnie. Oh. Okay, I'll give you a rebound this time. There you go, Ronnie. Ronnie. I think you purposely let him go. Give him a hack, man. Hack him on the legs. There you go, Ronnie. Son of a gun! He got it again. Piece of garbage. Ronnie, slash the guy, man. Oh well. 2-2 now. Here comes a break. Way behind my net. Up to Ching. So Ching, he got this high-speed upload, and these games are at like 4 gigabytes each. So we're playing like an hour and a half. Right? And let's go. And yeah, so Ching's got this high-speed upload. He just uploaded, no problem. No need to edit. That's how he uploads it. Whereas Eddie has like this turtle upload, but he has like unlimited data, so he doesn't care. So he just edits it, splices like only when he scores, and then uploads like I don't know, maybe it's like 500 megs or so. But it takes him like 8 hours or something. So Winnie, when he's got new blades. Firm is on the ice, so I don't think Dark's gonna get the puck back anytime soon. So there goes Eddie. Oh, leprechaun guy, Lucky Charms. Oh, Firm is gonna feed it up. Ooh, what a nice pass. Wayne, don't leave it, Wayne. Lucky Charms. Let's go, Eddie. Eddie is decoy, because you don't know what he's gonna do. So you think he's gonna pass, but he doesn't. Oh, don't! Oh, Lucky Charms! I even called his name Lucky Charms. Don't even. That's good. Must have been too many whites for you guys. Rita usually plays the wing. There they go, setting it up. Yeah, like Dark's got 6 guys on the bench. So the offense is all like screwed up. I think they're working with 4 forwards. That's it, Frankie. All yours, Eddie, all yours, Eddie. Eddie, what are you doing? Eddie. Hold it, Polly. Let's go, Chingy. From the blue line. Just let it go. No disregard for safety or anything. Doesn't care. It's like the Pavel Bure of pickup. Except you can't skate like Bure. Can't throw at me. He's got to throw at me last time. Oh, what a good shot. Work it around. All yours. Fix it up for Chinger. Matt, setting up the play. Come on, man, double team. Wow, you got through 2 guys. Are you kidding me? He's gonna get a free shot. Oh, I got another shot again. How do you get 2 shots in it? Oh, son of a cunt. That was a nice goal. Leave me around. I was playing the short side. Well, obviously. Just shoot on the far side. Oh! Suck! Hit it wrong. Oh, here it comes. Don't let him go, don't let him go! Oh, here we go. Ooh, another break. Take off, break, take off. Oh, penalty shot. Penalty shot. Penalty shot. Lucky Charm. See, if he ain't scoring, he's popping. Oh, I missed that one. Son of a gun. Oh, Lucky Charm. Pick it up. Oh, man. Woo! Oh man, angle. Oh, Ronnie! Oh, right to your stick, man. Lucky Charms. It's good to see Alan back. Back injury. Way to go, way to go. Oh. Oh, the trailer. Alan did not pick it up. What's the score now? 4-3? Oh. I like it when a goalie gets mad. It's funny. It's like he's losing his cool. Oh. That guy scored from me last time. Nice move, Wayne. Go, Eddie, all by yourself. Speak. Winning so many goals. Oh, kind of tired right now. So Wiener. Wiener's got like, they have like a burst of energy, and then that's it. He's done for 20 minutes. He's what you call I don't know, 7th man line. He's like put on after the 7th defenseman. Ooh, toss. Oh!